Hello and welcome to a brief overview of the dftly Time Tracker. Essentially, what the Time Tracker is an app that works on a mobile handset and lets people that use that to track their time directly to Salesforce. Now, the interesting thing about this app is that it can actually work for both people that use Salesforce and people that are not Salesforce users either. So now this is what the app looks like. It's very simple. What you do here is you pick on a project, you can pick a specific task, you pick a work type, and you click on in. And that's all that you do. So you click on the slider to say that you're checking into this job, and you get this. You can now check out when you're done with the job. If you look at this little change checkout time button, what it lets you do is that if you've forgotten to check in, let's say, you can go in and you've already finished the job, you can go in and change the time and therefore check out maybe 15 minutes before or something like that. So the handset part is very simple, so that temp workers or people that are on the field can focus on the work that they're doing and really use this just to check in and check out of their time. There is also the ability to check in and check out of multiple jobs. Let's say somebody wants to do a check in and check out at the end of the day or at the end of a week, let's say. They can do up to 5 different jobs or tasks and projects that they can check in and check out at the end of the day, right? So this is essentially the functionality that you have on the handset. Now, if you look at what's going on Salesforce side, there is a set of dashboard elements, and you can look at how many people have tracked time through dftly Time Tracker through this week, through this month, how many people have checked in today. You can look at how much time has been put in by project, by task, and by work type. And one thing I should point out is that these are all things that are the default objects on the dftly Time Tracker, that is project, task, and work type. But you can configure this to actually go to anything that you use. It could be standard objects such as opportunities or accounts or cases, or like some of our customers do, it could be to vacancies and things like that, which are custom objects that you're already using within Salesforce. Now, if you take a look at this, what I'm showing you is the user list and the dftly Time Tracker user list. What it is showing is that there are some people that are users. For example, John Green is a user. The Time Tracker base user Julia is a user within Salesforce, and SS Shetty is also a Salesforce user. So that's what it's showing you here. Whereas there are other people like Jack Palmer, Tom Aarons, Sarah J, who are not Salesforce users, but still the time that they track on their handsets get tracked into your Salesforce org, right? So if you look here, what you're looking at are all of the projects that are there within your Salesforce org. And here, if the user is a Salesforce user, they would also be able to check in time on Salesforce. And here you actually see the same things that you had on the handset, which is projects, tasks, and work types. And you would be able to, the user would be able to check into time here as well. So essentially, whether you're within Salesforce or on the handset, users get the same things to check in. So it's a very simple app that is available right now on the App Exchange. Look for the dftly Time Tracker and start tracking there. Thank you.